Attache in Welford chart notes. The Attache lets you record all the changes you make in patient data into a file on your computer. You can then move that file to another computer and import its contents onto another copy of Welford chart notes. For example, you can work from home on your files, then transfer the work you did to your office computer the next morning. Let's see how to do this. First, you need to enable the Attache recording. Press System Global Options, check Store in Attache, and press OK. Now let's record some patient data on our home computer. Press Write Medications. Enter the patient's name of Kelly Erickson. Press Add. Enter a medication of lisinopril and an instruction of 10 mg POQD. Press OK to store this. Note that it has been added to the patient's medication list. Press Write Diagnosis. Enter the patient's name of Kelly Erickson. Press Add. Enter a diagnosis of hyperlipidemia. Press OK to store this. Note that it has been added to this patient's diagnosis list. Step 3. Viewing the Attache. Press Links Attache. The Attache is located by default in the folder on your computer where you have installed Welford chart notes. Note that you can store it somewhere else or give it a name besides the default of attache.file, either by typing it in or by pressing the Browse button and locating it on your computer. Press View if you want to see all of the items of information contained in the Attache file, including the patient name, program function, user who stored it, and date and time it was stored. If you are done with an Attache file, you can press Delete to erase it, but we aren't doing this just yet. Now take the Attache file from your home computer, copy it to a removable medium such as a thumb drive or CD, and then move that to the office computer. On the office computer, note that Kelly Erickson's medication editor does not yet show any medications, and her diagnosis editor does not yet list hyperlipidemia. Step 4. Importing the Attache. Now, press Links Attache. Specify the location of the Attache file you transferred from the home computer. Once again, if you wish, you can view the contents of this file by pressing View. Now click Import. In general, you will want to choose Import All, which imports every item in this Attache file. Other choices include Import Every Item from Here, which imports every item starting at the currently highlighted item, or Import One Item, which imports just the currently highlighted item. Let's choose Import All. Once again, you can specify where the Attache file is located and its name. The program can then erase the Attache file after importing it, which you will generally want to do so you don't import the same data twice. However, you could instead keep the file intact, but move it somewhere else on your computer as an archive should you ever need it again. You can also choose to store the imported data into the current computer's Attache file, which is only needed in complex situations where multiple users are importing files from multiple computers. You will generally want to start importing from the beginning of the file. The Attache also keeps a bookmark of where it last imported to if you wanted to do it in stages. You can press Browse to locate the Attache file on your computer. Finally, press OK to import the data. You can see that lisinopril has now been added to Kelly Erickson's medication editor in the Office computer, just as if you had typed it in directly. And similarly, hyperlipidemia has been added to her diagnosis editor. And that's how to use the Attache in Welford Chart Notes. For more information, visit us at emirj.com.